Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to check someone's location on X, formerly known as Twitter. To have this feature, you have to make sure your app is up to date. Make sure you update your X app on Play Store or App Store. So to know where someone is located or based at on X, open your X app. I'm going to use this account as an example in this video. Click on the account. You're going to see the date, the month and the year when the person created this account. Click on that little arrow. It will go to about this account section. Here you're going to see where the person is based at. As you can see right here, this account is based in Nigeria. So that's how you check the location of users on X. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.